Okay, today's a big maintenance day for the Outback. I'll show you what we got here. Bring a new rad in. Got a Denso one, which is what they use from OEM. I got some coolant, oil for oil change. Also, we have cylinder 6 misfire because the coil pack is toast. So, this dirt cheap one off Rock Auto. Ultra Power, $21. I usually buy OEM coils, but for this car I'm quite willing to test cheaper alternatives. But also I do suspect that head gaskets are leaking on this car just based on the age and a little bit of got some boiling going on in the overflow. So I'm going to try and put some sealant in it, head gasket sealant. Just pour this in with your coolant. But I'm going to put a new rad in it too to give it the best fighting chance. And obviously it's cylinder 6 that's misfiring, so a little bit hard to get down to that coil pack. Gotta take the washer fluid reservoir off, and I'll try and record that the best I can, but I'll start with the coil pack and make sure the misfire is gone, then we'll move on to the rad and oil change. Connectors off. Okay. So I can flip the camera around here. Got this off. Just need to take the connectors off to get some more room. And like I said, it's all the way down there. It's the most rear coil pack. Hard to record, I'm sorry. Okay. Ended up doing the coil pack from underneath. Ended up being a lot easier. See the new one right there. Because I just had to unplug this connector on the cylinder 3. Or, cylinder 4. Actually, I'm a little bit confused here. So this is 6, 4, 2. Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. Let's start it up and make sure there's no more misfires. Alright, coolant is draining. Just took out the bottom hose here. I'm gonna take off the cap to let it drain faster. So these 2 bolts here, these hold the rad down, and then there's some bushings underneath. Just pull it up. Just gotta take off these 2 hoses right here, and I think the reservoir can come out with it. We'll see. Oh yeah, and don't forget to unplug your fans too. I didn't realize that this rad has a transmission cooler in it. I don't have any transmission fluid with me, so don't suspect this rad is leaking, but I did want to replace it because usually they're fairly easy on Subarus, but well, I think we are going to leave this rad in for today, and I'll have to go buy some transmission fluid and do a transmission flush while I'm at that. But I'm still going to try the head gasket sealant on this, and it's not bad to have fresh coolant in it either, so we'll put this back in. Alright, got the rad back on. I'm just going to put my funnel on. And everything is tight. Rad hoses are tight. Fans are plugged back in. Check the bottom hose one more time. Okay. So I'll begin with the sealant. So this is K-Seal. Works with all coolant. What does it want you to do? Instruction says, shake bottle vigorously for 30 seconds and add to radiator or overflow tank. Leak will stop within 1 or 2 minutes after engines reach operating temp. Alright, try it out. See what the stuff looks like. It's kind of milky. Definitely got some. Ooh. Almost looks like copper, like got some type of additive in there. Now I'm gonna put this full concentrated coolant in. A lot of air. Okay, it stopped filling, so I'm going to start it now. Just have it on defrost, AC. Max fan. There we go. We'll let that run until the fans come on. Draining the oil. Doesn't look too bad after 7,000 K. And just show you on the Outback. Again, it's super simple. Like the oil filter is literally right there. And the drain plug is there. I don't even need to jack this one up. Really easy to get to. Okay, got my new Fram Tough Guard filter, and drain plug is back on, so fill her back up with oil. This thing takes 6 liters. Has some left over of this Super Tech that I used for top up last time, so I'll use that first, and then the Motomaster 540 synthetic. Okay. Almost a perfect pour. So overall, pretty successful day. What we got the misfire. So we coil pack, replaced the coil pack with that cheap $21 Ultra Power one. Oil change, some Motomaster 540, and the coolant flush with the head gasket sealant, the K-Seal. See if it works. Sorry I couldn't get the rad done today. I should have looked. This is the first automatic Subaru I own, and I didn't know that they had transmission coolers, which is pretty neat. It's a great idea, I think. But yeah, all I got left for this year, I think, is we're gonna fix the quarter panels. I got some paint matched aerosol and some special aluminum tape to fix those up, and then next weekend I'm hoping to do what do I want to do? Tire rotation. I'll show you guys how to do that and why you need to do it, and we're gonna fix some exhaust leaks and some heat shield rattles. But overall, for 420,000 K, this car has been really good, and hopefully this helps you maintain yours.